Howdy do. I'm George again. I've made mention about our moon, what we see. You know, the moon is 140,000 miles away. We can't see 140,000 miles away, you know. But the light given off by the moon is traveling at 186,000 miles in a second. And as I said, that light from the moon is giving off the moon's exact reflection at that light speed. And it's giving off the exact reflection of the moon at that light speed because the moon is being hit by light of the sun, which is traveling at 186,000 miles a second. That energy from the sun at that speed is hitting the moon and causing light to bounce off of the moon. And that light bouncing off the moon is traveling through space, but that light from the moon suddenly makes a bend at 186,000 miles a second. And at that bend, there's a tremendous amount of energy which shows up the exact reflection of the moon that we see. You can't really see the moon. The moon is 140,000 miles away. You can't see that. And the stars, we can't really see the stars. They're thousands of light years away. But the light given off by the stars, we see. But what we see is the bending of the light from the stars. Light given off by a star is traveling at 186,000 miles in 1 second. But through the universe, at one point, the light from the star makes a bend. So the light is traveling at 186,000 miles in 1 second. And suddenly, at that speed, it's making an abrupt bend. So at that speed that the light is traveling at, that bend it makes is giving off a tremendous amount of energy. It's a sudden bend at 186,000 miles a second, the bending of the light. That bend is showing the exact reflection of the stars. And that's what we see. You see the reflection of a star. We're not seeing the star. We can't see stars. They're thousands of light years away. But we see the bending of their light. And considering how the speed of the light traveling 160,000 miles a second for a star, and that sudden bend is a tremendous amount of energy. And that energy produces the exact reflection of the star that we see. I don't have much time. It's coming to an end here.